I haven't really give y'all an update in a while. I've had some customer vehicles, non-hot rod vehicles I've had to work on. So, just to give you an update, I built me some setup blocks. They're about 14 inches off the ground, so I got plenty of clearance to get underneath it to start building my floorboards and such. And so I'm gonna probably put the exhaust on it, and then I'm gonna start building the firewall and the floorboard. But I didn't want to tie the lift up because, yep, as you see, Dad has got the Aero Ace in here, and we're gonna start on it here. And before long, we just wanted to get into the building to just to protect it, you know, keep it from windows getting knocked out and stuff like that, from cutting grass and such. But got the transmission in. I got to build a little bit of an extension right here to connect that the rest of the way. So, but the first thing I got to do is I got to work on the doors. There's a little bit of a gap right where the hinges are probably half wore out, so I gotta work on that. But y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay ready. I got it up in here. This is when all the detail slow stuff's gonna start going on, so y'all be patient with me. I'm gonna have this thing rocking before long. Thank you. Y'all have a good day. All right, what's going on? I'm back. I'm gonna work on these hinges today. They are about half stripped out, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get in behind them there and get them loose. I'm gonna throw a little bit of heat on them, so I'll do a little time-lapse video so y'all can see it, but I gotta do the other side over there as well. I gotta get them loose so I can adjust them a little bit up or down, back which way I need to go yet, but y'all stay tuned. Got my handy dandy Cornwell hood light here, but that works good for interior work as well, so y'all stay tuned. All right, look at here. I got this sucker working good. All this working right. Look at that. Went right in. No dragging. It's working good now. Got the hinges working better. Getting the 3-in-1 oil worked into the hinges there, into the striker plate. So she's working good now, guys.